is? Oh, I see him.
All right. 3, 2,
Guys, go get him.
1, go.
Go, boys, go!
Oh, no.
Got him.
Someone's rushing.
And here. Here, keep them covered. I'm gonna move the bomb. Yeah. Woo! Oh, that was fun. I'm working on my ghillie suit.
Yeah?
I got it back in the center.
Oh.
There's no way I didn't hit him.
Dude, really?
There's no way he didn't get hit by that. He was running straight at me.
He's been fucking cheating all day.
I sunk him with like 6 BBs.
Head back to your spot.
Yeah, go fuck
Face
yourself.
away from the field. I'm going to hide the flag.
I'm gonna hide the flag in the open again.
And it's pretty dead on.
Yeah.
Maybe turn the hop down a little bit, but
They got big ass gearboxes in them.
Was you the one right here? Oh, it's spawn camera. Oh, y'all can spawn in. That's it.
Yeah, it's pretty.
that's pretty straight.
It's like almost to where the trenches will be.
Seriously though, the fucking Russian dude, I led him like by a goddamn
The one wearing all green,
Yeah,
dark guy. Yeah.
I led him by a fucking mile.
Yeah, he ran straight at me going to get that flag the second game.
Thing is, nothing's gonna get fucking done about it.
No.
That's his buddy.
Huh. You're back on red. You're on blue. That was easy. I thought Luke was on the other team.
We're on blue now.
Oh.
Blue.
Yeah, I saw you go run out there. I didn't know if they got you or not.
I got Luke.
Did you
I
shoot
got
him?
Luke and his buddy.
Yeah, I shot him. I shot Luke. I shot whoever else is over there.